Hi, my name is Iman. My matric number is 294214. I am going to present on the UX techniques employed in the development of Noshnist, a digital product designed to streamline the cooking process for busy individuals. Let's dive into how Noshnist simplifies meal planning and cooking and critically analyze the UX techniques used in its design. Noshnist aims to make cooking accessible and efficient for those with hectic schedules. By providing curated recipes, easy grocery ordering, and a meal scheduling system, Noshnist addresses the pain points of independent living and cooking. The key UX techniques used in Noshnist include 1. User research and personas. 2. Wireframing and prototyping. 3. Usability testing. 4. Iterative design. 5. Onboarding process. 6. Card sorting for recipe cards. And 7. Interactive tutorials. User research involved surveys and interviews with individuals living independently. Personas were created to represent typical users, such as Neha, who struggles with cooking amidst a busy schedule. This helped identify user needs and preferences. Wireframes were created to outline the basic layout of the app, followed by prototypes that allowed for interactive user testing. This step ensured the design was user-friendly and intuitive. Usability tests were conducted with real users to gather feedback on the app's functionality and design. This iterative process led to multiple refinements to improve user experience. Based on feedback from usability testing, the design was continuously refined. For example, the recipe card design was updated to include a quick add to cart option, addressing user needs for a more streamlined ordering process. The onboarding process was designed to be quick and informative. Users select their meal preferences, favorite dishes, and any allergens, which helps personalize their experience and ensure safety. Card sorting was used to determine the most effective way to organize and present recipes. This technique helped in creating a layout that is easy to navigate and understand. Noshnist provides interactive tutorials for cooking, which can be accessed via video or written steps. This feature supports users in learning how to cook new dishes with ease. The iterative design process is crucial for refining user experience. Its strength lies in the continuous improvement based on real user feedback. However, it can be time-consuming and may lead to scope creep if not managed properly. While iterative design is effective, alternative techniques like A/B testing could provide quicker insights into user preferences. A/B testing allows for comparing different versions simultaneously, which can speed up decision-making. In conclusion, the iterative design technique used in Noshnist was appropriate for ensuring a user-centered design. However, incorporating A/B testing could enhance the efficiency of the design process. Both techniques together could provide a robust framework for continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. For more detailed insights, please refer to the full case study and the sources listed below.